Digits on the beat.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. No, it's been a while, but who cares? So I'm back. Just took out some knotless braids that I've been wearing for about 3 weeks now, and it's time to refresh, it's time to revive. It's time to see that growth, okay? My 5 months post big chop will be August 24th. So September 24th, we're going back to Atlanta to get that nice silk press. You dig and see that length. I'll do an updated natural hair journey later. So my cousin was like, hey, you need to get back into doing your YouTube videos, regardless of, you know, whatever the journey may be. You know, he said I can blow up. So if my little bro says I can blow up and he sees that in me, I'm about to do that. So basically, I'm not going to talk too much. I'll give you all an updated life journey, what I'm going through now. I'm going through a spiritual journey, trying to get closer to God and just, you know, try to live stress-free and let him take control over my life, because when I had control, it went to shambles, okay? But through those shambles, I've grown and I'm learning different lessons and different things about myself, learning to love myself, and I'm enjoying the journey. And one thing that is a part of that journey is my hair. So whatever you get out of this bonnet is what you're gonna get. So basically what I did is I made this mixture. It's aloe vera, olive oil, and some coconut water. Blended it up in my Ninja blender, and this is the mixture that we got. So hopefully this gives me some hydration, and we're going to get into it. So this is what I'm working with. I'm gonna do a little 360. It's dirty. Like I said, it's been in braids for three weeks, almost a month. And I'm gonna go ahead and section it off. The kid is, do you see this growth? Do you see this health? You know what I'm saying? I ain't got the thickest hair, but it's full. You smells me? All right, and I'm gonna divide this into 2 parts. It is so freaking hot. I've been cleaning all morning, but it is what it is. Clean house is a clean mind. You know what I'm saying? Makes me feel good. I also moved back home because I really couldn't heal properly on my own. I needed to go back to my roots, be with my mom, and heal, get myself together in all aspects of life. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my face. I've been having allergic reactions, like my neck and my chest, arms and whatnot. Now it's like going to my face. I also detoxed last week, so that's probably just getting all the foolery out of my body. So we're just gonna let it do what it does. But I also started my proactive journey again, and so we're gonna get it back together. I'm probably gonna detangle with my hands, but I honestly want to use my brush as well. So pause. This is my brush. It is a Conair wet brush, and when I tell you, I have type 4B hair, okay? And you know, it's real, it'll do whatever it wants to do. When I tell you, it gets, god dang it, gets the job done, stop playing. Like, it seamlessly goes through. And I'm just gonna let that drizzle on the hair. Now, when I'm doing these ponytails and they slicking, and I find out I can do a slick back and then get me a ponytail weave, it's over. Oh, it's over. That is my look. I love buns. I like low buns, medium buns, high buns. Look really, really good on me. Oh, this feels so soothing. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm going to do this all the way around. Probably speed up the video now. And then once I'm done, I'll do a 360 so you can see how juicy these curls are going to be. Never done this mixture before, so we're going to see what happens. So we're going to learn together on this one, guys. See you in a little.
Digits on the beat.
point out that I have been wearing a little bit of edge control. So this is where you see that white casting right here. It's that edge control just slipping its way on out. But let me do a 360. I've detangled and added my mixture throughout my entire head. So right now it really has a lot of slip. As you can see, I didn't have any problems detangling. I'm going to go ahead and clean my hands and stuff just to show you how much hair that I shed from the past 3 weeks with me doing my detangling process. And it's actually not a whole lot, and I'm thoroughly pleased. And I'm never going back to regular box braids, because knotless braids are the ish. They really are. They really, do you see this juiciness? Okay, like, I wanted to keep them in another week until my hairstylist could do it again, but I was like, I gotta let this joint breathe, baby, you know what I'm saying? This is how much hair that I have lost. Okay, that's really not that bad for 3 weeks when we're supposed to shed like what, 100 strands a day. That's really not that bad. When you're doing this, I do advise that you use a t-shirt that you really don't care about. I didn't waste that much on the floor, just a little bit because I'm clumsy. I don't know why I thought this would be thick, and I put water in the mixture. But this is what we're working with. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plastic bag over my head. And then I'm going to put my bonnet back on, let my body heat, and do what it does. But this is the pre-poo. I'm going to get back into doing pre-poos because I want my hair to be as healthy as it can. And probably gonna leave this on for about an hour because I'm hungry. I've been cleaning up all morning. Gotta redo my mirror because the freaking junk splashed over there. So that's out of pocket. So yeah. And this is how much mixture I use. So got a little bit left. So we'll save that for next time so I don't have to use it. I'll probably store it in the fridge, and next time I do a hair video update, I'll let you know how long it lasted, so you know whatever the life is of it. But this is it. I'll probably not insert some photos of what my hair looked like after I did my wash and go routine. I'm gonna post one, but it's what I did earlier this summer actually, when my hair was a little bit shorter. So you'll see the growth from then until now, and then 6 months we're gonna get that press, baby. That press. So in the meantime, when you see me uploading videos, it's some stuff that I posted a long time ago. I just really wasn't at my best, so I didn't really feel like posting anything and being ingenuine. But I do want to show you the growth of my energy from earlier this year till now, and then moving forward. Like, this is a growing process, and I'm not afraid to be transparent and let you all see me grow, because I'm probably helping someone who isn't, wanting to ask for help from someone. So let's just be awesome, let's be great, let's be positive, and let's do what it does. I'm talking on this side because this is just atrocious. This is freaking disgusting. Also, I tried that little thing where you do your own dry out masking acne cream with the chamomile lotion, the witch hazel, and the drops of tea tree oil. Please don't do it. This is gross, but if I'm being transparent, it created a scab. So hopefully the Proactive and that topical retinol gel treatment gets that taken away, because I don't want any dark marks on my face or anything like that. So we can just get this half to just hop that spirit over here, then I'm gonna be in the game. But I got time, and it's gonna take time. I'm not picking at it. You see me, it is what it is. I'm not putting makeup over it, okay? So there's that. But I'm gonna get back into this. Will I be consistent? I don't know, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I really do enjoy just talking to cameras and just being seen, because I would like to act. So I should start doing this to start showing you all of my personalities. Not crazy, but I just have a lot of whatever. I'm not explaining myself. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.